you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we just got back from Trader Joe's and we did some grocery shopping to show you what I get from every trip, the essential items. And I also want to show you some products that I would recommend. I usually go to Trader Joe's every week or like every other week just to stock up on our essentials. I'm gonna go ahead and get started because some things are frozen. Frozen items first. So the first item we have is the vegan tiki masala with cumin rice. I like this as kind of like a quick and easy meal, and it doesn't taste like it would be tofu. Super good, and you can hardly tell the difference. I highly recommend trying this if you're looking for a vegan option or if you're vegan yourself. Another staple we've been picking up recently is the chilaquiles rojo. We do it for breakfast, and I add like an egg on top, the sour cream, avocado, and fresh cilantro or onion, like a brunch vibe. So yummy, quick and easy. I highly recommend trying this out. My husband gets this, the lamb vindaloo. I don't even know how to pronounce that. But this is another thing that my husband likes to eat. Got some juice shots, as it's a blend of coconut water, turmeric, lemon juices, and added black pepper. That wasn't too bad. Next we have these little brownie coffee sandwiches. These are so good. If you have a sweet tooth like me and you also love coffee, this is perfect. They're super small. They're a nice little treat to have, and like I said, they're unique to Trader Joe's, so I definitely recommend trying them out. Their sweet item that I just picked up are the mochi green tea. I've tried their mochi before and it was super good. This is the green tea version, and I thought it would be something yummy to try, and I'm excited to have this. Another staple we like to buy is this grilled asparagus. We usually pop this on the stove, throw it in the broiler with some fresh Parmesan, salt and pepper, and it tastes so good. Not like a weird like defrost. You know when you freeze a vegetable and then you cook it and it tastes kind of like you can tell it was frozen? This doesn't have that. Little grill marks already on it. It's just an aesthetic, you know. Definitely recommend trying these, especially because if I buy asparagus at Costco, it will go bad, but frozen asparagus doesn't go bad. Next we have the Trader Joe's organic jasmine rice. I also like the brown rice, but it doesn't taste like traditional brown rice. This is great. We have like a 20-pound bag of rice to cook from Costco. This is super efficient and easy. Work lunches or anything you just want to pop in real quick. I know this is kind of like a waste of plastic, but it's super convenient. Another quick and easy meal. This is the linguine, pesto, and tomato. It's really light and it's not a heavy pasta. I'm a big fan of this to throw together for lunch real quick, and I would recommend trying this out. So as far as sauces, this looks so interesting. It says chocolate hummus. So I'm curious to try this. So like, should I try it right now? I'm gonna. First impression, this smells like chocolate. Oh my gosh. Let's see. It just tastes like pudding. This is really good. I don't know what you would eat with it. Maybe like fruit, strawberries, blueberries. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to pronounce this, like everything else in my life. It's a Greek tzatziki sauce. It's creamy garlic cucumber dip. So I just made Greek food the other night with like lamb. I made this sauce by hand. This is the most refreshing light sauce there is. It's basically cucumbers, garlic, and we used yogurt. I'm obsessed with this sauce. I'm eating this for years and it's super good. It's a savory, creamy, spicy blend of lentils and spices. And let me see, I feel like this is vegan too. It contains milk, so it isn't vegan. It's full of protein, 12 grams per container. Again, for like a work lunch, something to heat up with alongside some rice or vegetables. It's super good, obviously no meat in it, so good if you're a vegetarian. I would recommend trying this out if you're looking for a quick way to get some mashed potatoes. It doesn't taste like they were frozen or anything. Very yummy. As far as poultry, we got this spatchcocked chicken, lemon rosemary chicken, butterfly whole chicken, and it's with citrus and limes, and we do this in the oven or you can cook it. We have a sous vide, throw it in the broiler to get it nice and crispy, and I love that it's already pre-marinated, and it's another great dinner or lunch idea to prep. I like to pick up this extra lean ground beef. It's 96% lean, 4% fat, 21 grams of protein. A lot of ground beefs that are super lean like this, they taste really plain and not good. This one, I can't even tell the difference. I almost prefer this one over like 85% lean. If you're looking for a bit of a healthier option when it comes to how much fat is in your meats, really good. I have these overnight oats. I was looking in like the juice section and I saw these. It says rolled oats soaked in an almond beverage. Check this out. I've never tried it and I thought it would be something quick and easy for breakfast, and if I like them I'll get more. I'm really interested to try this out because I've tried to make overnight oats myself and they just don't turn out well. Rainbow carrots. I think these are so pretty. I like to roast these up with some chicken, potatoes, like in a stew or something like that, and it's a fun way to make your plate a little bit more colorful. Not only do I enjoy Trader Joe's, my dog has her own favorite product. Like, I'm gonna open the bag right now and she'll come running over. Watch. You can hear her run away. I also picked up this cabbage. And when you go to the store, regular store, you only have a head of cabbage. I hate to buy like a whole head of cabbage, use half and then the rest goes bad. I like to do a cabbage salad with some Greek dressing and it's super yummy. So I also got this watermelon. I've seen like a personal watermelon, but this is like a mini. It's like as big as my face. I'm obsessed with watermelon lately, so I thought this was super cute. Up next, we have some berries here. Go run to your nearest Trader Joe's and get some blueberries. They're super big, super juicy, super good. Clean these up every time we go to Trader Joe's. Highly recommend. They're always delicious and good quality. Honestly, I think their berries are better quality than Costco, in my opinion. This is everything but the elote seasoning. It does contain milk, but it is salt, chili pepper, cheese, chipotle, and cumin. It's good on meat, vegetables, corn, really anything. I've also been using this like on top of potatoes to give it kind of like a cheesy, spicy taste. I know a lot of other places tried to remake this, but I think this is honestly the best one. It is the everything but the bagel seasoning. This is great, obviously on top of bagel. This on top of vegetables, on top of toast. It's good on almost anything, honestly. Sea salt, garlic, and onion blend with obviously sesame seeds. Recommend checking this out if you haven't already. So we have the vegan chickenless seasoning salt. It's with salt, onion powder, turmeric, and garlic powder. It's vegan, which is nice. I wouldn't say it's as strong as this one, but it's a healthier alternative if you're looking for a vegan option. My ride or die, the coconut almond creamer. It's dairy-free, lactose-free, and there's vanilla in it, so it just adds the perfect amount of sweetness to my coffee or my lattes. I don't like my drinks to be overly sweet. This is literally perfect. I also picked up the original coconut creamer. 1 gram of added sugars. This has about 3 added sugars, both relatively healthier options compared to other creamers. Recommend both of these if you're looking for a lactose-free, dairy-free option for your coffees. So we picked these up, the pink and whites. It's gonna be comparable to like the animal cracker cookies. We just saw these and I was like, you know, obviously it's a dupe for that. So we picked them up. I've never actually tried these before. That's what I love about Trader Joe's. There's always gonna be their version of something and usually it's better. It's super yummy to try out. I'm a sucker for dark chocolate covered almonds. They're pretty affordable in comparison to other grocery stores. My favorite chocolate is dark chocolate, so this is super yummy. Just kind of craving applesauce, which is super random. It's just organic apples in here, which I like. Super simple ingredients. Alrighty guys, that's everything I got today from Trader Joe's. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave some comments below what Trader Joe's items you love to buy, and I'll see you next time.